that hurt so fun. Oh, much. I have literally no idea of what I'm doing right now. I just felt very tired yesterday and I sat indoor all day and I didn't really feel like doing anything really. So I decided that today I was just gonna go outside and just walk. Every time I see something beautiful, I'm gonna grab a photo of it. I really want to get a photo by the beach, but like, look at this. The beach is so small, like, I don't really think I can do much with it, so I'm just gonna wait and see if something better turns up. Just look at how it's standing right in the middle of the light. It just hits it very beautifully, so I think I'm just gonna kind of lean my body to match the branch to kind of like give this feel of being in sync with the nature or something. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Done! I think I got some pretty cool shots. This is what I came up with. There's like people everywhere and I'm so scared of talking to the camera while there's people. But obviously I need to take photos here. It's so fucking pretty. Here's how it turned out. Just a pretty simple picture, but pretty colors, I think. I feel like I really want to do something with this. Just imagine like my legs popping out of it or something. I think that would be pretty cool. But I don't know if I'm willing to sacrifice myself and my clothing and my whole body for the rest of the day to get the photo. Okay, I'm not gonna use that tree because I wasn't really sure if it was gonna look good or not and didn't want to sacrifice myself, but I found this place. I mean, look at it. I need to do something with it. So I took a photo of that tree right there and I kind of want to make it look like I'm hanging over that branch right there, but I couldn't get out there, so I have to find another branch that I can kind of hang over and then Photoshop it together later. I don't really think it turned out the way I wanted it to, but yeah, it's fine. At least I'm experimenting and kind of seeing what I can do and what I can't do, so I guess it's just practice. I don't know. So after a bunch of Photoshop, this is what I came up with. Everything out here is just so fucking pretty. I feel like crying. I don't know why I haven't done this before. This is just amazing, really. And actually, I have no idea if I'm even allowed to be here because there's a fence around it, but the fence was open, so I think I'm allowed to be here. I'm not sure, but there's not really anyone around anyway, so I'm just gonna enjoy. Look at this photo, it's pretty awesome. This is basically what it's gonna look like, and then I'm gonna be in between those two trees. But my big problem here is that I think there's a bunch of like branches with, what are they called, like stingy stuff, like that hurts my feet because I'm bare feet right now, and yeah, I don't really want to scratch off my feet, but I think I just have to try and hope for the best. that hurt so much. So my feet are gonna hurt the rest of the day, and I didn't get my photo. That was annoying as I don't know if I should just put my socks on and try again, or it's so annoying. I really want to get this photo. It looks very pretty. Maybe if I get a little bit closer it will not be as hard. I'm gonna try Oh my god. Now my feet hurt even more. And I realized when I got up to the tree that it was like covered in, I don't know what it's called, inside word here, but I couldn't get all the way up in the tree, so yeah, that kind of sucks. But I might just do something with Photoshop later and edit myself in or something, I don't know. If my future self figures it out, this is what I came up with.